Welcome students of HAVO 5 and Video 6. This video is about the exam of 2025 and we're talking about question 7b. And we're still talking about the article in which the main character is the character of Mr. Doost, and he's saying that you can do something about achterstelling. And achterstelling means desventaja, your disadvantagement, and he learned in his study in the Netherlands that you could do something about achterstelling in one way in which they were made conscious, they meaning people on our island, before 1969, that they could do something about the achterstelling. How did they learn this? Well, one example is the Black Power movement, Fred Hampton, Malcolm X. Another example is the forming of unions in America, but also in Europe. That was really important. One other example is the magazine of Veto, written, redacted actually, but sometimes written by Stanley Brown. So you could do something about your desventaja, poperhazi algo kubo desventaja. Really important phrase. It's the meaning of, je kunt iets doen aan je achterstelling. You could do something about your disadvantagement. So it should be one of the next possibilities, the Black Power movement, Malcolm X, Fred Hampton, and a lot of others that I don't name. Unions, like you can see here, progressive magazines, newspapers, the two-weekly Veto, published, redacted by Stanley Brown, that you can see there. Yeah, and the magazine, one example of it you can see here, and the last one were progressive young groups, youth groups that came together on squares and parks, like the Provo movement in the Netherlands, with their funny free white bicycle idea that you could borrow and you could give back. All these shows that you could do something about your disadvantagement. You can do something about your bad position in society. That's not something you just have to let happen, like you can see here. And all these examples that you see here show that you could do something about it. And also Papa Godet with his union and what he did during 30 May showed people we can do something about our bad position in society. If you want to subscribe, you can do that here. Yeah, that's subscribing to my TikTok actually. My TikTok's name is Meneer Pescado, like you can see here. If you want to subscribe to my Instagram, I will show that later. If you want to look this test up on the website, you can see it here.